Welcome to Lesson 15. This is your Fab 5 Summary Part 2 lesson. Let's get started. Your objective for this lesson is I can summarize the important details in a fiction story while maintaining meaning and logical order. This is what you're learning about today in Lesson 15. You need the following items for this lesson. You need your reading notebook, a pencil, a glue stick, and your Lesson 15 Fab 5 Summary Part 2 notes. Your notes are identical to this right here. Make sure that you pause the video at this time to retrieve these items. And let's get started. At the end, please do not forget to glue your notes for Lesson 15 in your reading notebook. Once again, you should have your Lesson 15 Fab 5 Summary Part 2 notes page in front of you. Before we begin, please put your pencil down. Once again, please put your pencil down. We're going over Lesson 3, over story elements. In order for you to decide if you're going to use the Fab 5 summary strategy, the story, the passage that you are reading, must contain these story elements. Whether it be a cartoon that you're watching or reading a passage, if you're reading a passage, if it contains these story elements, then you know that you are reading a fiction story, meaning you can use the Fab 5 summary strategy. So story elements means, one more time, the pieces or parts that make up a story. You always need characters. These are the people or animals who are important to the story. You always need a setting. That's the time and location where a story takes place. You always need a problem. That's the main issue, struggle, or conflict that the characters are up against. You also have your key events. Those are the most important events or actions that occur during the story. And at the end, you have your solution. That is the way that the characters solve the problem. Once again, this was your Lesson 3 fiction recap. Your pencil should have been down. And if you have these story elements, then you know that you can use your Fab 5 summary strategy. Once again, have your pencil down. We're going over Lesson 10. We've already gone over the Fab 5 summary strategy. In Lesson 10, you watched the octopus short cartoon with me, and we filled out the summary, the Fab 5 summary, step by step together. So let's go over it one more time, because you are responsible for doing this one by yourself. Remember, you always have your 5 keywords for the Fab 5 summary strategy. Someone, wanted, but, so, and then. You have to answer, who is or who are the main character or characters? What does he or she want? But is always your problem. What got in the way? What kept the main character from getting what he or she wanted? What did the main character do? That's your solution. What did he or she do to get by whatever was getting in his or her way? Then, what happened at the end? Did the main character get what he or she wanted? Once again, this was your Lesson 10 Fab 5 Summary Strategy Recap. Please have the following paper in front of you. You should have the Lesson 15 Fab 5 Summary Part 2 paper in front of you to get started. Now, at any time, you can always pause the video, rewind, and you can go at your own pace. Now, the short film that you're about to watch is called First Comes Love. So please pick up your pencil. The words in red should be in your notes. The author is Daniel Ceballos. So please pause the video at this time. Please pause the video and write down the title and the author. Once again, the words in red should be written down in your notes. Now, you're going to be answering these 5 questions at the end of the video. Someone. who is the main character? Wanted, what does the main character want? But what gets in the way of what the main character wants? So, what does the main character do? Then, how does the story end? Please start asking yourself these questions. Keep them in mind as you watch First Comes Love, my bad guys. As you watch First Comes Love. And then you're going to fill it out by yourself. You're going to write your own Fab 5 summary using the following keywords. Someone wanted, but, so, and then. So at this time, please put your pencil down. Please watch First Comes Love at this time. Please enjoy. Okay, at any time, you can go back and watch First Comes Love. Just rewind it. Now let's go back to our Fab 5 summary strategy notes. Now, please write the young boy. The words in red should be in your notes. Please write the young boy. This is answering someone. Who is the main character? Now, at this time, you're going to work by yourself at your own pace. I want you to answer the following question. Wanted. What does the main character want? That's the young boy. Then, but, that's your problem. What gets in the way of what the main character wants? So is your solution. What does the main character do to solve this? Then, how does the story end? What's the conclusion? Please make sure that you write complete sentences. You answer each of the questions in order to write a Fab 5 summary. You can always go back and watch First Comes Love. Please pause the video, rewind, fill out your summary. I will be looking in your reading notebook and read your summary. So please do your best, take your time. At the end, glue Lesson 15, Summary Part 2 notes in your reading notebook. Once again, you are filling out a Fab 5 summary over First Comes Love. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.